Hey everyone, and welcome to the club, and welcome to another Weekend Art Challenge. Today we're going to be doing a style swap. We're going to be bringing Ironman into the world of Teen Titans Go. Now we're going to get started at the top of our page with the upper edge of the eye. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a curve coming down in the middle and then back up towards the right. Now on the ends, I want to draw two short lines coming down. Now on the left side, I'm going to curve down and in. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. So start on the outside and follow that same curve coming into right about there. We'll do the same thing on the right. So lining this up, curve out, and then up. Now we're going to take these 2 points and angle up and in underneath that line. Now we're going to work our way around the inside trim of the head. So in the center, we're going to step up. We're going to draw a short line going across the middle. Now from the ends, we're going to angle up and out. From these 2 points, we're going to curve out and then down towards the side. I want to make sure that I pass the edge of the eye. From the outside, we're going to curve out and then down towards the jaw. So we're going to curve around the eye and then down. Now from here, let's angle down and in with a straight line. And then from here, we're going to angle up and in with a short line. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. From the side of the face, we're going to curve in and then down towards this bottom point. So let's start on the left side, curve in, and then I'll pull that straight down. Let's add in the mouth. So up here, we're going to start with a straight line. Now we're going to angle down and out towards that curve. Now from this line, I'm going to step down, draw another straight line going across for the bottom of the mouth. We're going to fill this area in black. Now let's move up and draw the top curve of the head. So from this point, I'm going to move out. We're going to go a little bit higher in the center, going up, and then we'll curve this back down on the right side. Now from this point, I'm going to follow that same curve coming down towards the jaw. I'm going to leave an even space gap all the way down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. And then from here, we're going to angle down and in with a straight line. Now we're going to close off the bottom by connecting these 2 points with a horizontal line. Let's add the ear covers on the side. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out and then pull that back in. We'll take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, curving out, and pulling that in. Now that we finished the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the neck. So leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw two short lines coming down on the left and right. Close off the bottom with a curve coming down and then back up. On the side of the neck on the left, we're going to angle down and out. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to have the body turned over towards the right so you can see the left arm on top of the body. So let's start from the shoulder, curve down and in, and then we'll curve that back out. Let's go back to the shoulder. We're going to curve in the opposite direction, going around and then down. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight line. On the right side, you can see the profile edge of the chest. Starting from the shoulder, we're going to curve out and pull that down. Now we're going to curve in towards the hip, down and then in towards the left. Now let's go back over towards the left. Underneath the shoulder, we're going to curve in and then down towards the same height that we have on the right. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add some lines across the belly. Taking this curve, we're going to step up, go across, we'll step up again, draw another curve. Now up in the chest area, we're going to add that circle. Over towards the right side, Start at the top of the circle, work our way down, and back up towards the top. Now we're going to trace this out on the inside. Now we're going to tuck the right shoulder in behind the body. So at the top of the shoulder, we're going to curve out and then down. Now we're going to angle down and in behind the body. Let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down. We're going to draw a short line going across. Now, from the right side, we're going to come straight down towards the knee. On the left side, we're going to curve down and then out towards the left. From the knee, we're going to curve in and then down. Let's start on the left side, going in, and then pulling that down towards the heel. On the right, we're going to curve in and then down. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel to toe, curve down and back up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from here, we're going to thicken up the sole. From this point, we're going to angle up and in with a short line. Do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to curve across towards the back of the foot. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's add in the toe cap. From the top of the sole, we're going to step in, curve up and in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to come across, coming down slightly. Now we're going to angle down in behind the sole. Now let's go back to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Starting on the left side, I'm going to come down and we're going to curve that in towards the knee. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to taper out the lower part of the leg. From the knee on the left, we're going to curve out and then down on top of the foot. Let's add the edge of the boot. So from the left side, we're going to curve down and up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from the inside of the lower torso, starting on the left, we're going to curve out and then up towards the left hip and then the right hip. Let's add a panel to the side of the thigh. Starting on the left side, I'm going to curve down and in. Now I'm going to follow the same curve of the leg, coming down, and we're going to go straight across towards the outside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping down, curving in, straight down, and then we'll go straight across to the outside of the leg. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. In the middle of the sleeve, right here, we're going to draw two curves, coming down towards the cuff, and also on the outside. We'll do the same thing on the right, starting from the body, curving down and out. Now back on the left side, we're going to overlap the cuff on top of the arm. So we're going to start on the outside, we're going to go straight across, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the edge of the cuff, we're going to angle down and in towards the wrist. Now back on the left side, let's draw on the hand. We're going to start with the thumb, with a small half circle. At the end of the half circle, we'll draw a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around the bracket. And we're going to add two more fingers. Stepping down, curve down and up. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around in towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the thumb. And then the first finger, we're going to come around the bracket and up. Draw the second finger, and then the third finger will go all the way around towards the wrist. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to separate out the arm. So halfway down the arm, we draw an angled line coming down on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's our Ironman from Teen Titans Go. I hope you enjoyed today's art challenge, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe and send me your challenge ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.